Bunny, into just tambak lo New Zealand mo, got small financial problem, I think she's available me.
True ya, Daki. Money into just a comeback mo, but you and me money finish.
Yes.
Pay no worry. Pamil pay you from you salo time lo coffee.
Oh, pertama mi, seven life of you man. Lagi mi kat you susin kat you, I think salah ground different man finish ya. Oh ya we.
Daki.
Talem
Fresh news flavor.
By sponsor.
No, you daram.
Ale?
You sure?
Talem.
You aram to finish financial literacy?
No kat, mi one francophone, I try explain them one simple phrase.
Okay. Emi about how lo manage your money.
Oh my god, Bunny, mi fresh news, we never have no life from me. Ale, preste.
Pregam silence, talk about finance.
Wow, talk next week, karalwa.
Long Facebook page from Melanie Jacob.
Bunny, you make him speak over it, you know, Mr. One businessman, nothing. But please, you try me elaborate small more about one now. Melanie Jacob is the Facebook page. Please, tell him.
I'm to more financial literacy content.
Okay. You take an example from me.
Yes.
From Seminary Manager Money.
No, you need him help, yeah.
Yes, help a professional. So, me call a Facebook page of Melanie Jacob. After.
Why you look at me post them some video?
Nice one from here. Me type
You got me got small, you know, man. And me got one YouTube channel.
Be alim to no more time to go subscribe to YouTube channel.
Whoa. At least I'm going to mask news. Me sabi, I'm having problem lo COVID-19 pa again.
Hey, you too like straight. You like things money sa excited to talk about problem. No, me like excited to talk about development. Tatalain emblem patulay yara.
Melanie Jacob.